In the heart of Yambio County, at Bazungua Payam, the Azande people gathered to mark 3 years since the restoration of their kingdom. The air was filled with jubilation, but soon a controversial announcement changed the mood.
Another asalo Karabizade. Mumigana bitaw again if mothers are free. Kelemi dida free education. Aljana bitaw free fi mothers are kedawari. They are to school learn free education. Alkasalani wanusigi belde kulu gale fi ganun kala gale free education kalena sigara saki. Bagosora abisu wori lawman free education ma fi Western Equatoria time.
The free education policy was introduced in 2023 with the hope of opening doors for thousands of children. But since it is started, it is struggled to take root. Many schools lack basic infrastructure, learning materials, and teachers who in some cases went for months without pay. At Yabongo Day Secondary School and Mixed Primary School in Yambio, teachers welcome the governor's decision, saying it is better to have a functional paid workforce than an overburdened system that fails both students and educators.
In the past, some years back, there were partners and organizations which were giving incentive to teachers. But in these years, currently, we don't have partners giving incentive to teachers. So the only thing is we wait for this government salary to come. We are really suffering. The reason why we are still here is this is our nation. So this is our children. We cannot leave them. We will continue to do our job.
Why the governor said that one, he saw so many things challenge affected teachers in the school, mostly government school. There is no money paid, like I'm talking now 14 months, plus there is no incentive or salary we got. The only small thing we got from the parent, we said with the parent and we discussed with them to come out with the decision that they can help the teachers with some small thing, we can help them that for worsening close to come to the school. This is the things we have, very small, very little. It looks like somebody can be taking 7,000, 10,000 like that one, which was helping nowadays the teacher. So that is why government come out with that decision, with that ideas. For me, I feel happy with it, and I will receive it with the two hands of mine.
For parents, however, the reaction is mixed. Some worry that without free education, their children will never step into a classroom again.
Akare ita bodi al miskini abuto mon mafi ita buon su gala ya al miskin kelia garsake ale abuto mon fi ze madrasa komade masak mam sigi gane nasigi dia garsake aywa ya kan zede ale zola basa amul to ma business to yaw bidafao lakini ta komade yali ba garsake wala na bon se gala sade yal tay bigen fi beke mon ya gala akoma kale dafao de zai ana marzi da na bi dafa magusu yato lomun na sakoma
ana ndo talata ya wai da ya biga targa lam bi dafo mafi na da rahimil asawe ndo jan itmin jana fi hawli mama ya las da tangal biga madrasa da biga bada zeta business kan zamna al magli go gurus tabamul sun madayal bigen kul fi bet yala ko sarata ma weleda de weleda le bigale weleda take ko sarata sikilte azide.
South Sudan already has one of the highest rates of out-of-school children in the world. With the end of free education, more children, especially girls, could be forced into early marriages or labor instead of classrooms.
The kingdom have not come up with the laws against the policy of the government. The kingdom is an institution under the government, and our responsibility is to implement policies of the government. As a kingdom, we need the parents to support that child, because the government cannot give free education. There are a lot of things that a student needs to be done. So we are supporting the use of free education, but we want also the parents to support the child, to support how that child can achieve that education.
While teachers breathe in relief, many parents are left questioning the future of their children. The dream of universal education in South Sudan remains just that, a dream. Reporting from Yambio, I'm Emmanuel Patrick Laku.